Alright, friends, brothers and sisters in Christ, check this out. This is what we call the gallery. So, you're going to see some pictures that I've used on my screen, but these are giant pictures. So, this one up here you might recognize. These are all 4 feet by, some of them are like, they're 8 feet, 4 feet by 8 feet. You see this? This is, you can actually print brick. So, instead of having, it's not actual brick, it's just on a piece of wood. On actual wood. See? Wood. 1 inch thick. But it looks just like brick. Over here we got this familiar picture. Doesn't that look beautiful in a wall size? Just gorgeous. Color. This is printed on wood. This is plywood, y'all. Look at the detail. See, look real close. You can see it's plywood. See the grain? See the grain? And we got acoustical ceiling tiles up here, a variety of them. This is really pretty. That's plywood. Plywood. Beautiful pier scene here. Beautiful scene in Alaska. Beautiful 57 Chevy. It's gorgeous. Look at the gleam on that chrome. That's printed on foam, the foam composite. So many options. This is some of the stuff I love. Printed on the metal plates. Beautiful. This is what I recommend. We can print on glass. Here's some more bridge. Here we got the Phoenix. What is this? The Grand Canyon. The really pretty lightning scene. I love this one.